This looks so good. Got it.
Seawater?
Look at this, dude.
This is the most disgusting car I've ever touched.
Okay, C8 update because we've been going. I got those welded things for Gromm Racing done. They went to get put on the engine, like the heads and the assembly and everything. Either way, I can't even talk right now because look at this thing. Alec put the body kit on, which I've seen on. But I don't think we've ever had it on fully painted. That's for sure. It's never been this on. And we're gonna take it off the lift for the first time and set it down. So that's freaking crazy because we're gonna start doing sticker stuff. Let's see it, dude. Drop it down. The ride height's probably gonna be whack because there's no weight in this thing. The front's probably just about where it is because there's nothing else, but the rear might not be sick. Does the jack even come out of that thing?
That's what
oh gosh, be careful, dude.
Ooh, look at that.
All right, yeah, that makes sense because front probably about right, rear, no weight. Yeah, it'll move down. You know what I want to do, dude? I want to jump on it. I want to see what kind of. Yeah, let's see. All right. How are you gonna get in, dude? I'll stand on the transaxle mount here. All right. Does it move? Jounce it. Whoa. It moves pretty nice. Yeah. Look at that. Needs some rebound put in it, that's for sure. But maybe the weight.
Eddie, twist the knobs.
Moves good. And this is a stiff spring. I think this is like a 14 kg spring in the back or something.
Jump more. Yeah.
Check out these freaking valve covers. Oh, wow. You already know you had to have the American flags on it. So, got a bunch of stuff laid out. We will finalize the valve covers so I can bring them back to Gromm Racing because stuff is going together over there. I wanted to show you what I was doing. So I'm removing the paint around where the bolt holes are going to be with these cool little wire wheel stud drill thingies. I found them on Amazon in a kit, but you can see it has like a stud. And that stud centers up. They have all different sizes, check. The stud centers up in whatever you're drilling so that it doesn't walk around and move. Pretty nifty for this situation right here because you can see the perfect ring that it leaves. I got these for doing like battery ground. So instead of having a flat disc and do a big old hole, just a nice wire wheel of a perfect circle. Look at that. Pretty nifty. After this, it'll be coils. All right, the first thing I'm gonna put on are these sick Motion Raceworks quick disconnect breather. What do you call it? The burn down breathers, right? Burn down breathers, yeah. Yeah, this will go on here. I was kind of going back and forth if I should coat these or not, but I'm really glad we didn't because I think that these have an amazing finish and then we'll definitely set apart from the valve cover. So I'm going to use some red Loctite since there are bolts that are going inside the valve cover. So I feel like anytime you have that situation, red Loctite is your friend. Put these on first and then we'll shift focus to the coils. Nice hefty amount. Don't want no funny business going on in there. And the cool thing too is this also acts as a baffle. Like it's a backing plate, but it's also a baffle for when it's in the valve cover. Pretty cool. Those Motion Raceworks guys, they know what's going on. They do. These things are sick. Check this out. Push these tabs, quick disconnect line, right out. So you can just leave your breather lines in the car and then pull your valve covers off to adjust your valves, and going right back in, boom. So freaking nice. Changed my mind on the valve covers. I'm gonna bring it to Steve at Extreme Custom Detail and let him ceramic coat it before. He says he's got one that's real tough and it'll help and it's really good with the heat. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be patient even though I wanted to get it done. So do some more body fitment. Just put this thing in the mill. It's the striker. You can see I just made the whole oval because the door wasn't quite aligned, but Alec and I got that door aligned. We got this fender fully aligned. We had to do some shifting because obviously it was just set on. So this is the final like fitment of body panels before we start doing stickers. So That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this on, check it out. Now it has slop. Ooh, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at those body lines, dude. Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Dang.
That's crazy. Hey, let me see. Hey, you know it's been a hard day for Matt when he's got schmuckus on his face.
Well, I have a dirty face?
Yeah, I got schmuckus.
I never have a dirty face.
That's what I'm saying. This guy's always clean when he works on cars.
Let me see. Let me rotate this.
Oh, there, Pete.
Oh, God. I didn't have my hat helmet on. We can almost even go more. Oh, nah. It's just a little low right here, but it's like perfect and perfect.
Yeah, then this can just be easily moved.
You can adjust this?
Yeah.
We gotta take this off and wrap it anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, it's good. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Yes. Yes, Mike. Clear transfer paper is what Alec wants.
I need to be able to see.
There's the livery down there. Cool. Here's where we go. We'll probably show you guys laying the Borla and then probably not after that. You know how it is. Unveiling, blah, blah, blah. So that's it. That's the livery right there. If you couldn't tell, it's black and red. It has Borla on the door. Who would have thought? I love it. This one's sick though. It's definitely original. That one is more like traditional. This is a little bit more loud, a little bit crazier. And it's gonna be a lot of freaking work, that's for sure. Yes. Force sticker on. Million more to go. Now the lower parts. This looks so good.
We gotta do the red first before the...
Oh, holy moly. End of a busy week. Not even sure quite how much I filmed, but a lot got done on this thing for sure. The rest of the livery is sized, measured, and will start to get cut next week. This is what we got right now, which is perfect starting point. All the body panels fit, all the gaps are good. Everything opens and closes and shuts and does what it needs to do. So yeah, there's like, this is what we have left, everybody. This is it. All of the livery and the logos. Also, thank you, Factory 83, because you freaking killed it. Ian, again, you're a freaking boss, and this livery is definitely one of my favorites. It's classy race car, sick, and fits. Oh, it's gonna be great. You guys are gonna love it. Logos and livery. Put the engine in, which is a huge thing. Bring the car to Borla to get the exhaust built, and have Robbie from AIM come and drop the chassis harness on, and then have Jay come from Black Tracks and drop the engine harness on. So those are a lot of big things that I'm just waiting for everyone else to do their thing so we can do ours. And it's a scary place to be, because I can't just work more hours and get it done. It's like everyone else needs to get it done, and I trust all you guys, and you guys are the best at what you do, but it's a scary place to be. So onward to the next. But look at this freaking thing. All right, the valve covers are back from Extreme Custom Detail. He ceramic coated these things. I was kind of getting ahead of myself, really wanting to assemble it, but it's gonna make it just that much better. And yeah, you could tell they're slippery and perfect. All right, time to put these Motion Raceworks breathers back on, and then we'll do all of the coils and everything else. Hell yeah. Okay, this is the process. Some silicone at the base of the bolt to seal on the crush washer. The crush washer, which then gets nice and silicone. Then more silicone here. That will go through the valve cover. Then red Loctite inside of this washer. Then the standoff. Check it out, check it out, check it out. These things will slide right on there now. Damn. That looks good. But you can see the washer, standoff, and all of it's all sealed on the inside with a crush washer and silicone. I love it. Super, super easy. Oh, damn, this is sick. Wow, this is freaking cool, dude. Damn, that looks freaking bitchin'. Too sick. You ever seen a pit box on a lift before? Me neither. It is freaking time to bleed some brakes. Whoa. It's on the lift, so we might as well. It'll also help us do the alignment because we were kind of doing caster without it. Of course, have my Lucas Oil .4 ready to go. Super good. Master cylinders are on the pedal, so it does require a little bit of a reach, but yeah, should be easy. Alec went and vacuum bled everything all the way around, so it makes our life a little bit easier. And of course, the Wilwood calipers with the bleeder being right here, very accessible, should be a piece of cake. Then we can get to laying some freaking vinyl.
Car's so big I can't hear you, dude.
All right, open.
Open.
Close.
Close.
Careful pumps, careful. Open.
Open.
Close.
Close.
Exciting times. Okay. This is what we got going on here. Update. Valve covers are done with link coils and of course the Motion Race Works quick disconnects. Crush washers, silicone, standoffs, Loctited. Those are ready to go back to Gromm Racing. We just got this cut out. Troy cut out this carbon fiber air cleaner box lid. So last we talked, Chris was making this. This came from Send Cut Send. We cleaned up the edge. We need to put a little flat on it to shift the air box just to clear this right here, this throttle linkage. We just tightened all of the throttle linkage, tightened the throttle bodies. I also found the right gaskets that we're gonna need for the air cleaner itself. And we drilled, because this also doubles as a drill guide. So we drilled these little holes, and 440 little tiny machine screws are gonna hold the air cleaner base on. So I'll show you exactly how it goes, because it is something pretty freaking cool. Air cleaner, and this was something too, I had to like look, what is this? This is for a Dominator, what size is it? This. I asked a bunch of people. Travis Reeder, you sent me the link to this, Jake, so thank you very much, you're the man. Line these up. We already drilled everything, cleaned everything, tightened everything, so I'll show you how it goes. Oh, then the carbon goes right over the top of it all. Nice snug fit. Should get these lined up. Then the ring goes on, and the ring fits freaking perfect. Like, look at this. Snaps over there. Tiny little 440 bolts. They're gonna go through everything. Knew this would be tough with the actual gasket itself, because it's got to go through a lot of different surfaces. There we go. Boom. Then it's pretty, we'll get all of the bolts in, and then I'll show you how the air cleaner lid attaches. The gasket is necessary, but it definitely makes life a little bit harder. There we go. Boom. Then the K&N box filter gasket base. The big sick box filter. Look at this freaking thing. This is straight up what 410 sprint car engines use. 8 stack. It comes with like an 8 stack rubber kit that goes up underneath it. But look at this. These are the snaps. This is all K&N's stuff, so it should just all snap together. Damn. That's freaking crazy. Oh. Yeah. That could just move if we needed to, but that's pretty tight. That's freaking big dog shit, dude. Okay, so the livery is pretty much applied. There's definitely a couple stickers that still need to get done. So I can't turn this thing around and show you guys that, but I will say Alec is doing cool stuff. He is putting the carbon fiber tube protectors on. So check this freaking thing out. It's freaking sick. Carbon fiber tube protector. So obviously these tubes, it's gonna be in a high smash area. Wrenches are gonna be thrown.
I'll be doing wrenches.
Doing valve lash. That's enough, dude. You're doing too much. Jesus.
On the edge.
Did that thing squeeze out or what?
It's good, dude.
Yeah. Sick. Okay, then we have the door bars here. Super, super cool. Yes. Makes it look so good. I need to build a battery cable and maybe some spark plug wires. And Alec needs to tidy up a couple rugged cables, but we're so close. But yeah, put the second aim PDM in. This is for the rear, put that in, so I need to build a battery cable for that thing. More battery cables.